Ever stared at a stock chart, a dizzying array of lines and indicators, and wondered if the platform showing it to you is actually on the level? You're not alone. In the Wild West of online trading, trust is the most valuable currency. And when it comes to charting tools and social networking for traders, TradingView is often the first name that pops up. But can you really trust TradingView? Let's unpack that. TradingView has undeniably become a behemoth in the trading community. Millions of users flock to its platform daily, drawn by its sleek interface, powerful charting capabilities, and vibrant social features. You can find real-time data for a vast range of assets, stocks, forex, crypto, you name it. The platform boasts an impressive suite of technical indicators, drawing tools, and customization options that cater to both novice and seasoned traders. The social aspect is a huge draw too. You can follow other traders, share your analysis, and even live stream your trading sessions. This creates a sense of community and allows for the exchange of ideas. Seeing how others are interpreting the markets can be incredibly valuable, especially when you're just starting out. But popularity doesn't automatically equate to trustworthiness. So, what factors contribute to TradingView's reputation, and where might you need to exercise caution? One key aspect is data accuracy. TradingView sources its data from reputable providers. While occasional glitches can happen with any data feed, the platform generally offers reliable and up-to-date information. This is crucial for making informed trading decisions. If the data is flawed, your analysis, no matter how brilliant, will be built on shaky ground. Another point in TradingView's favor is its transparency. The platform clearly outlines its features, pricing plans, and terms of service. There aren't many hidden surprises lurking in the fine print. This openness fosters a sense of confidence and allows users to understand exactly what they're getting. However, the social features, while beneficial, also introduce a layer of complexity when it comes to trust. Remember that the analysis and opinions shared by other users are just that, opinions. Not everyone on the platform is a seasoned professional, and some may even have ulterior motives. It's vital to approach all shared content with a healthy dose of skepticism and do your own due diligence. Blindly following someone else's trade ideas can be a recipe for disaster. Furthermore, while TradingView provides powerful tools, it's essential to understand that it's just that, a tool. It doesn't guarantee profits, and its effectiveness depends entirely on how you use it. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that the platform itself will make you a successful trader. Success in trading requires knowledge, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. TradingView can be an invaluable aid in this journey, but it's not a magic bullet. TradingView has built a strong reputation within the trading community for good reason. Its robust charting tools, extensive data coverage, and transparent operations contribute to a generally trustworthy platform. However, the social aspects necessitate a degree of caution and critical thinking. Always verify information, conduct your own analysis, and remember that TradingView is a tool to enhance your trading, not a substitute for your own expertise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.